Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your social study teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter of your textbook, that is chapter 7, Role of People in All Lives. Student, in this chapter we will learn about the different peoples who helps in our life, like teacher, doctor, police and postal workers, and there are many other peoples who help in our life to make our life better and more better. So let's get started. The main content of this chapter, we will take some introduction part of this chapter. After that we will talk about the roles of teacher, role of teachers in your life, role of doctors in your life, role of police as well as role of postal workers. So students, let's get started. There are some peoples who play an important role in our lives. Without the help of these peoples, life would be really difficult. So students, हमारी लाइफ में कुछ peoples ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा important होते हैं for our lives, because these peoples helps us and make our life more easy. The first person who helps in our life, that is our teachers. After our parents, it is our teachers who are very important to us, because teacher teaches us how to read and write, how to paint, sing and dance. Teacher also motivates you. Teacher also make you realize the good or the bad. Teacher take us on trips, picnics and nature walks where we learn through fun. So student, हमारी जो टीचर्स होती है, they will take to your trips, picnics, nature walks where we can learn with the fun by doing different activities. So students, you all know in your life teacher is very important part, because it teaches all the educational things as well as the good and bad habits of yours. Students, we celebrate Teachers' Day as on 5th September as to show our love and respect to our teachers. So student, every year we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September to thank to our teachers that they are in our lives to teach us. Now student, the next people who helps in our life is the doctors. We go to a doctor when we are ill. Students, we all now going to doctors if we are getting fever or any cough or cold. So doctor is very important part of our life, because it helps us when we get ill. When we have fever or any other illness, our doctor prescribes medicines. If student, हम लोग अगर बीमार हो जाते हैं, then who prescribe the medicines? The doctors. Doctors ही होते हैं जो हमको medicine write up करके देते हैं as well as हमको हमारा treatment लिखते हैं. Next, tell us what to eat. Doctors also tell us that what we have to eat, because what food is healthy or unhealthy. Doctor tell us that we have to eat this because this thing is healthy. So how long to rest? हमें ये भी डॉक्टर बताते हैं कि how long we have to rest for this illness or for this disease. When we are very ill, our doctor advises us to go to a hospital. The doctors and nurses working, they look after us. So students, when we get ill, that means बहुत ज़्यादा जब हम लोग ill हो जाते हैं, that means ज़्यादा हम लोग वीक हो जाते हैं, then our doctor advises us to go to hospital. The doctors and nurses working they look after us. तो डॉक्टर हमको एडमिट होने का बोलता है, एज वेल एज जो डॉक्टर की जो वहाँ पे नर्सेस होते हैं वो हमें क्या करते हैं, हमारा लुक आफ्टर करते हैं. सो you all know that doctor is very important part of our life because it take care of a healthy life. If we get ill, so we go to doctor for our treatment. Every city has one or more hospitals. We all know that in our cities there are many hospitals. Many villages have dispensaries or clinics to treat the sick. In villages, many villages, there are dispensaries as well as clinics, personal clinics of the doctors to treat the sick people. When there are no dispensaries, governments and mobile dispensaries. A mobile dispensary is a van with a doctor, nurse and some medicines. The van goes from village to village treating the sick. Now students, in rural areas or in any village, when there is no hospital or no dispensary or clinic, so a government and mobile dispensary, that means a van which contains medicines, there is a doctor and nurse to treat the peoples living in the rural or the village areas. Now students, veterinary doctor. An animal doctor is called a veterinary doctor or a vet in short form. These doctors treat sick and injured animals. Students, I think that you have pet dogs. You all like keeping the dogs at home as a pet. So, for treating these pet animals, we need a doctor, and that doctor is called as veterinary doctor or vet, because these doctors treat the animals or dog, cat or any pet animal or they also take care of these animals. So they are called as veterinary doctors. Now student, the next people that help in our lives is the police. Police have a very important role in our life. Whenever we have any problem, we call police for help. The most important duty of police is to maintain law and order. So student, police is very important for us because it take care of the crime, the law and order of a country. So लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कैसे वर्कआउट करेगा वो सब हमारा कंट्री में कौन देखेगा, पुलिस देखेगा. दैट मीन्स के लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली और नॉट. दे हेल्प टू कैच पीपल हु डू नॉट फॉलो लॉज. पुलिस ऑल्सो हेल्प्स टू कैच द थीव्स और द पीपल्स जो लॉ को फॉलो नहीं करते, रूल्स रेगुलेशन फॉलो आउट नहीं करते हैं, चोरी करते. दैट मीन्स थीफ हो सकते हैं, मर्डरर हो सकते हैं. सो पुलिस कैच दीज पीपल्स. दे ऑल्सो हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी. अब लिसन स्टूडेंट, पुलिस ऑल्सो हेल्प और to save or life of the people as well as they also saves the property of the peoples. You must have seen a police post or a police station in your neighborhood. It is from here that police work. Students, in every area there is a police station of that area or police post to take care of that area and the peoples living in that area. In big cities, mobile police van patrol all the time. We can seek help from them. These vans also attend to accidents on the road. The police help to find people who have gone missing. So students, in big cities, the police van patrols all the time. That means यहाँ से वहाँ police van all time patrolling करती है. Next, police van or these police van also take care of the accident जो रोड पर हो रहे उसका भी take care करती है as well as peoples की help करती है. At traffic crossing, you will find the traffic police on duty. These special policemen and the policewomen control traffic on busy road. They help the traffic to move smoothly so that there are no traffic jams or accidents. We must respect traffic police and follow their instruction. Students, traffic police also play an important part in your life because traffic police take care of the traffic of the road, that it also take care of the accidents going on the road, so that ट्रैफिक कम होगा तो एक्सीडेंट कम होंगे, ट्रैफिक जो पीपल्स होंगे वो अच्छे से गाड़ी को मूव ऑन करेंगे, दैट मीन्स गाड़ी को इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करेंगे ट्रैफिक पुलिस के, सो एक्सीडेंट विल बी टेक लेस एंड this is all because of the traffic police which are giving duty on the roads. So we all have to follow the instruction given by the traffic police as well as the traffic rules which are made for us, because these all are made for saving all lives only. Now students, the next and the important people which help in our lives, that is the postal worker, that means a postman. We can send and receive messages through the postal service. Students, you all know that by postal service we can send or receive the messages. In the post office, all the letters are sorted out according to the address. अब स्टूडेंट्स, जो हमारा पोस्ट ऑफिस होता है उसमें क्या होता है, जब लेटर्स आते हैं सो वो सॉर्टेड होते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द एड्रेसेस, और फिर वो क्या करते हैं, जो पोस्ट ऑफिसेस होते हैं वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पोस्टमैन के द्वारा डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पर वो जो पोस्टल वर्कर्स होते हैं, बाय देम दे सेंड टू द डिफरेंट addresses these letters or the post. Okay, the main link between the post office and us is the postal worker. Listen student, the main link हमारे और पोस्टल जो सर्विसेज का जो पोस्ट ऑफिस होता है वहाँ हम दोनों के बीच में, that means post office and the postal worker, the main link is the what? Postal worker, postman. The postal worker collects the letters from the post boxes and takes them to the local post office. They also deliver parcels and money orders. जो हमारे पोस्टल सर्विसेज वाले होते हैं, दैट मीन्स द पोस्टमैन होते हैं, वो हमको पार्सल एज वेल एज मनी ऑर्डर्स भी डिलीवरी करते हैं. In villages, there may be just one postal worker, but in big towns and cities have many post office with many postal workers. Each postal workers delivers in a fixed area. Now student, in village or rural area there only one postman, but in big towns and cities there are many post offices, so there are many postal workers also. और हर वर्कर जो होता है एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया के लिए फिक्स्ड आउट किया जाता है. So student, now this chapter is finished, and if there is any query or doubt related to this chapter, you can ask me anytime.